Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It's JoJo and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you this casual, scratch that. Yeah, I had to dub that because I accidentally went full glam on y'all today. This was supposed to be just like a casual look. I promise y'all it is more casual than you think. It's just the lashes. The lashes are very dramatic. If you are new to my channel, you know what? Ain't that something? If you're new to my channel, my name is Jocileee. You can call me JoJo or whatever you like. And go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the gang. And with all that being said, let's get right onto the video. Today I will be showing you this. I don't really know what look I'm really going for today. I guess I could just show you guys like my updated. Please excuse that fucking jet. Okay, you know what? So today I guess I'll be showing you guys like my updated makeup routine. This is just like my simple everyday bad bitch makeup routine, and I'm actually about to go run some errands. So I already did my foundation routine. It was pretty simple. I just primed my face with some NYX primer. Then I went in with my favorite, which is L'Oreal True Match. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. And I also went in with this Kat Von D, and I just mixed both of them together and made magic. So I'm going in with this Kat Von D translucent powder. I'm going to go in with this Creamy Radiant Concealer by NARS. This is one of my favorite concealers. It will have to be a tie between this one and my Sephora collection concealer, but these are like so creamy. So I'm just gonna blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Of course, we don't blend with dry beauty. I said beauty. My face is freaking out so bad, y'all. Like, my face is really breaking out. I've been letting these fuckboys stress me out. Not anymore! But we're not finna let them stress us out no more, sis, because the weather is breaking. So you know what that means. Fellas, act up if you want to. That is all blended out. I'm going back in with this Kat Von D translucent powder. I know I am looking crazy. I look like a fucking ghost right now. While this is setting, I'm going to do something to my eyes. I really want to do eyeliner for some reason. I'm going to go into my waterline with some liner. I figured I could do like one shade on my lid so I'm not just out here with black waterline. I feel like that's just too light. Whew. I think this one is Central. I'm going to dust this powder away. I'm actually going to like press it into my skin instead of dusting it, because I feel like when you like dust it away with the brush, it kind of leaves it looking more so like, it kind of leaves like an inconsistent look, like a patchy look. I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm gonna have to do some liner on my top, on the top too, because I got glue up there. I'm gonna go in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna do my I'm so mad my camera turned off. So the only step that I got to like after my camera turned off was contouring. I'm using my ABH palette, which is hella dusty, but don't be judging me, y'all. Told y'all I'm going makeup shopping today. And I went in with this shade right here. I'm going to contour my nose, which I kind of rarely do that, but I'm starting to feel like it's necessary. The thing I hate most about contouring my nose is the blending. It is draining. Sometimes I just take a bigger brush like this and I go. ABA's Glow Kit. Then I'm gonna go in with Moonstone and Summer. Shit, I might be breaking out, but these pimples gonna shine, honey. They gonna shine. Call me extra if you want, but I like to highlight my ears as well since I'm a bald baddie. And my ears definitely show throughout the day. So I highlight my ears as well. Makeup setting spray by Urban Decay's the oil control. I'm gonna go in with this NYX lingerie shade. I think I want to make this a gloss, so just gonna go in with some clear gloss. Alright babes, this is the final look. Wow, this really turned into like a full glam look out of nowhere. I was doing my everyday makeup routine and I just started adding extra shit to it, honestly. I just felt like looking like a bad bitch, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And comment down below, tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. I like to get feedback. And I'll see you guys on my next video.